Okay, so you promoted to lead consultant. Here's the details for that. Here are the requirements you have to be paid at title as a lead consultant each month. Each month everybody starts at 0, so each month you have to have this. So you have to have 500 PRV for yourself. Your group, which is you and everybody you sponsored, has to have 1,000 gross wholesale volume, and you have to have at least one active frontline. And here's what you'll earn. You'll get 25 commission on your personal PRV. You'll get an extra 2% bonus on your PWV, and you'll get 2% off of your frontline essential or certified consultants. So I'm going to go over here. This is one of mine from when I was a lead consultant. So let's check off some boxes. Let me see, pull up my sticky note here. So we know that for PRV, I had to have at least 500. Well, I've got 1,000, so I'm good there. I know that my team wholesale volume has to be at least 1,000. So I clicked that box, and I have to have at least one active frontline. So I've got that. All three things check out. So over here on my sticky note, I see that my PRV times 0.25. So I'm just going to go ahead and type my PRV, which was 1080.20, and we're going to multiply that times 0.25. And then I can see my frontline and essential consultants TWV was $478.99. So I'll do $478.99 times 0.02 for 2%. Okay, now here's an easy way to check your PWV. I can go back to my performance overview. This was May 2020. Okay, so right here it says my PWV. So my PWV this month was $810.15. So I'll do 810.15 times 0.02 because I get a 2% bonus off my personal wholesale volume. So over here on my calculator, I will do the first line, 1080.20 times 25%, 0.25, so that's $270.05. That's 270.05. Then I will do the next line, 810.50, so 810.15 times my 0.02, that gives me 1620. And then I will do my last line, which is for my front line. So I'll do 478.99 times 0.02, and that's $9.58, so $9.58. And then I'll just add up these totals. So I've got $2.70 plus $16.20 plus $9.58. So my paycheck this month will be $295.83. And just to show you that that's what that was, I'm going to go down here to commissions history. I'm going to select May 2020. So $295.90, and I estimated it to be $295.83. So this gets you extremely close to what your pay would be as a lead consultant. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Bye.